There are so many factors to think about when you're planning on installing a multi-room audio system. Let's break this down into bite-sized chunks to simplify the process.
AWE presents the Smart Home Essential Series.
4 things you should consider when specifying a multi-room audio system. There are many formats available, and now you can access your favourite music through multiple services. Most likely streaming services like Spotify will be the #1 way of getting content. For higher quality, try Tidal or Deezer, which now stream at CD quality or even better. Don't forget physical formats. If you have a large library of tapes, CDs or vinyl, you might want to distribute this too. There's also a chance you might have downloaded content on a NAS. If this is the case, you'll need a way of attaching these devices to your multi-room audio system, so make sure you have a line level input available for each player. Another important source to consider is TV audio. If you have the football on the TV in one room, you might also want to hear it somewhere else, like say the bathroom, so you never miss a moment even if you're caught short. Now that you know what you want to listen to, it's time to find out how many rooms you will require audio in. This is not only important because you need to get the right number of zones, but also because you need to know how the room will be used. Will you require just background audio, say in the kitchen, or does the audiophile in you want a high-end listening room? Do you want the ability to distribute TV audio? All these questions will help you narrow down the equipment required to specify the system you need. While we are on the subject of zones, it's important to consider both wired and wireless options to provide the best solution suited for your project. For the most robust system, cable is king. So if you have the ability to hardwire your devices to the internet, then amazing. If not, there are still many reliable wireless options. So now we know what we're playing and where we're playing it, but where's the audio coming from? Like with the content, there is a huge variety of speaker options available to you. You have in-ceiling, floor standing, bookshelf, network speakers, soundbars. The list could go on and on and on and on. Choosing the right speaker for the right room is incredibly important. For example, TV audio would be best with a soundbar instead of ceiling speakers. Or let's say you have a room with no ability to run cables. A Denon home speaker would be a great solution, giving you single stereo audio from a portable speaker that connects to your Wi-Fi. Finally, you need to find the best method of control to suit your needs. It'd be a bit awkward if we just put in a bunch of amps and speakers and walked away, right? Like everything else, there are various methods of controlling your multi-room audio system. There's app control, control system, remotes, and voice. When it comes to choosing a method of control, I would take a second to think about what options would make your life easier, which is literally the whole point of control, to bring simplicity and convenience to your hectic daily routine. If you feel like you want to dive a little deeper into the tech as well as all the nitty-gritty bits of the installation and the setup process, the AWE Smart Home Academy hosts a variety of courses that will give you the tools and the knowledge to step up your install game.
Check out more videos below and please support our channel by hitting the like button. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to subscribe and check the bell icon so you get notified whenever new content is released. If you have any questions, let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching.